Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to talk about this XP600 13-inch DTL printer. The problem with this printer is the white ink is shifted. It can print the color first, but when it's starting printing white, it should be exactly where the color is. However, you can see the white actually starts like about an inch below the color, so it's vertically shifted. And fast forward, you can see it finished printing colors, but it's still printing white because the white kind of delayed. So on the top, we have all color and white, and at the end of the printing, you get a no color but a white strip. Basically, all you want is the white can properly overlay over the color. Okay, let's fix this. We click on the sys setting. In the factory tab, put your cursor in the password field, but do not input any password yet. I had to hold the camera, but you use both hands and hold down the Control and F12. Hold them together. Sorry, I had to try to do this in one hand. Anyway, so you hold the two keys together. You're going to see the confirm change to factory mode. Once you see it's in factory mode, and you can type in 6 ones, 11111, and then don't click the factory mode, hit return instead. And on the bottom, find where it says base color. I'm going to click on that base color. Oh, I forgot to say, today we're talking about a single printhead. So each one means head 1. Okay, you can see on the columns there are different colors, and we focus on 2 white. And the first 2 rows are directions, and don't pay attention to it because left and right match perfectly. I only need to focus on the 3rd row, which is vertical. I already set the vertical be 50. Okay. In the factory, they set to 0. The larger the number, the more the color shifting towards you. I set to 50 because I need to calibrate the printer. And this printer, when we set to factory default 0, it doesn't print properly. We already printed a 50, so now I'm going to set it back to the factory default and recalibrate the printer. So I'm going to set both to 0, so that's the factory default. And we click File and select Save. And that's going to flash to the firmware. Once it's completed, it says Save Successful. So now we can close this, and then we'll click the Close the sys window. Oh, by the way, the factory setting is at the Advanced tab on the sys window. Okay, let's take a look. It's better. However, you still can see it got a color stripe. So online quiz. So right now, should we decrease the number or should we increase the number? Remember, the larger number, the color is more towards you. We should decrease the number. So how much should we decrease? So when we set to 50, it's off by 8.36. And when we set to 0, it's off by 1.08. So 8.36 minus 1.08. We made a change of 7.28. And this 7.28 is made with 50 units. So each unit is 0.145. So to make the color to move back 1.08 millimeters, we will be moving 7.4 to 7.5 units. So clear and Control F12, password, and return. And we go back to the color and we change to minus 7.5. So we're going to do minus 7.5 for both channels. It is minus because even we set to 0, we still see the color coming towards us. So we need to push color back, or like you visualize, you move the white towards you. Okay, we go to File, Save, and we close the white window and we close the black window. Okay, if you didn't drop out from elementary school, you can do this. Anyway, this method is the same thing as your color shifting to left, shifting to right. And don't forget you are printing bidirectional, so you need to correct both when your problem is left and right. Okay, let's see. The white exactly where we want to be. That's perfection. We did a subtraction division really, really well. We still got it.
Hello, mortals. Your printer is saved. Kevin's YouTube channel is the answer to your prayers.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at BCH Technologies.com or locally Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers!